What up, my YouTube family? This your boy MMA, back with a little unboxing of these sneakers. You feel me? Straight from the Just Do It people. You see the leather, the tape, the letters Just Do It. You feel me? Got these in a couple days ago. I'm sharing with y'all. Got my man Lil Mark behind the camera. We chillin'. Unbox these things for y'all. Let y'all check them out. My cousin had sent me a text one day. Was like, man, check out these this colorway of these shoes. So I'm like, alright. So I looked at it. I'm like, man, they not making that color in them shoes. I ain't making that color. He was like, man, yes they is. So I Googled it. And they was. So I'm like, damn, I'm fire right there. I'm fire. I got to get those. I got to have them. These are Air Jordan Retro 8 SE. Man, they retail at $225. But I ain't paid $225 for them. I waited till Nike went down on these suckers. I think I paid like 116. They were 134. They had a little Black Friday sale, so I got on a Black Friday deal. I was like, I got to get them now. Black Friday, you know. You always got a bargain shop. You always, you know what I mean. Always. And don't be a little word of advice. Don't live and do beyond your means. Stay in your lane, you feel me? But anyway, back to the situation. Pop the top on these boys for y'all. Y'all check them out with me. Ooh! These boys fire, yeah. Y'all check them out. It's the left shoe. Let me take the right shoe out for y'all. Ah. The color is white, black, and red orbit. White, black, and this is supposed to be red orbit. But this is sure as hell pink. Y'all can see that pink. Ladies love pink. I like pink too, because ladies love pink. But anyway, yeah, these fire right here. The straps got the 23 on them, and they see through. It's like a rubbery plastic. And I hadn't seen a lot of unboxing on these tennis shoes right here, on these Jordans. So that means a lot of people, they ain't get them, they don't like them. I guess they didn't like them, like the color. But I did, I had to get them. These gonna turn heads right here, women and men. Yes, Lord. Y'all like them? Check out the track on these boys. If y'all not familiar with the Retro 8s, those who are, y'all know how they look. Feel me? Yeah. I just wanted y'all to check them out with me, man. I was pretty excited about getting these right here. My cousin showed me the picture. I'm like, wow, unbelievable. They smack right here. How the young generation say? They smack. Yes, indeed. But yeah, y'all check them out, man. Go on Nike.com. They got them for y'all. Y'all check them out. Nike.com. 134. Yeah. Deuces, y'all. Y'all be good. God bless y'all.